We are on a heavily legacy system on the front end, and we were able to leverage our relationship with some outside vendors that had used SmartIQ, brought them in, evaluated our the onboarding process and our renewal and installation process, and have reaped the benefits since. We're realizing hard savings by way of the digitization of that paperwork. That's allowed more time from our front-end paperwork personnel and resources to focus on other tasks. And SmartIQ's footprint was very small at first, and the use cases were very small to support more of a pilot or a POC, if you will. When we started realizing the benefits of leveraging SmartIQ and the kind of the digitization of that paperwork, so we're looking at additional operations use cases to employ SmartIQ and potentially SmartCOMM. Many of our employers are hundreds of thousands of lives and members, and you can imagine their benefit plan designs are very, very complex. Right? By standardizing that benefit plan and digitizing those forms within SmartIQ ecosphere, the installation and the returns on that that paperwork has decreased 50 to 60%.